Hi everyone, I'm Tammy Meeks and I live in Topeka, Kansas. I've been a nurse for over 30 years. I'm currently a nurse manager of a critical care unit. I was formerly a flight nurse for 25 years, so probably one of the older people in the class. Um, I recognized a couple names, but most of the names seem new to me, so I'm looking forward to meeting some of you and working with you and actually learning from you. This has been a challenge for me to be back in school after such a long time. Um, the online technology, just the navigating the online course has been a challenge. So I look forward to learning from you guys. I am also embarrassed to say that I do not know a lot about the new models of healthcare delivery, or I don't understand specifically um, the different models, and I don't know a lot about the Affordable Care Act. So I guess it's a little bit outside of my comfort zone just because it's not been anything that I've had much to do with. So um, hopefully, I look forward to learning more about it and understanding more about it so that I can sound halfway intelligent when I'm speaking about it and writing about it in this class. So that's just going to be a challenge altogether. Another challenge right now, and I'm sure you're all experiencing this with the current pandemic that's going on. If you're working in the healthcare field, in a hospital organization at the bedside or in management or whatever, I'm sure that you've been crazy busy and it's been a really stressful time. And that's kind of where I'm coming from with I took the last 8 weeks off because I couldn't manage it with my responsibilities during this pandemic. But hopefully, I'm going to be able to manage the classes. But that's also going to be a challenge for me. So, anyway, I hope all of you are doing well and staying safe and healthy. And I look forward to working with you in this class.